sillä lailla,
Niin,
että
joo.
ne on vähän peikeltynä. Ja...
Niin. Nyt mä kyllä kävin meidän naapurin kämpässä niin siellä katsomassa ja se oli aika hyvin kyllä laitettu. Se oli semmonen muovi, niin ei se pöly ollut pahasti sitten sen muovin taakse mennyt, vaikka siellä oli ihan auki vessa.
Joo.
Noin, niin se oli aika hyvin
Kyllä me
pysynyt.
niin.
So where are we now, Sana?
We are at my grandparents' place and we have just eaten and it was really delicious. We had mashed potatoes and some vege steaks, vege steaks, and then we are also going to have pancakes, which are there.
And what is this?
That's rosoli. It's a traditional Finnish salad with carrots and onion. Did you taste it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you like it?
I ate a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Then you know what it is.
It was good.
Yeah. And then my grandmother.
She doesn't like to be filmed and photographed, I guess.
No, she's really sweet and always cooking delicious meals. And that's my grandfather, who is singing in a choir.
And he doesn't look at me.
Yeah. Rolinka kuvaa sua. He doesn't dare.
Okay, thank you.